Hey everyone, welcome to Good DIY Plans. In this video, we're going to be going over how to make these super easy wooden storage crates. This is a beginner-friendly step-by-step tutorial so that you can make these for your own pantry as well. These stackable storage bins, they allow you to take advantage of all the vertical space of your pantry. There is also a unique built-in safety feature that we're going to go over in just a moment. The overall dimensions of the crates are 12 inches tall, it's about 15 inches deep, and then 12 3/4 inches wide. Now that unique safety feature I mentioned earlier is this. When you do stack these one on top of the other, the first bin here has a little bit of wood that is sticking out on the bottom, just like that. And what that does is it takes the entire stack and then it actually leans it back just a little bit. So by about 1 degree. Now what this does is it prevents these bins from falling forward because they're leaning against the wall. So you can safely stack multiple of these one on top of the other without having to worry that they're going to fall forward. So let's go ahead and actually go over how to make this. The first step here is to take 1x12 lumber. And then here we're going to make some modifications to it. So it's 13 1/8 of an inch long. We're going to be cutting off these blue components here. So most miter saws that have like an angle cut feature will be able to cut these angles. So we have 23.4 degrees, and then we have 20 degrees here. So at about 5 3/16 and then 6 1/16 away from the edge. So go ahead and cut those out, and you're going to have two identical pieces just like that. We're going to continue by assembling these components. So we're going to need a 1x6 lumber piece. So this is 12 3/4. We're also going to need two pieces of 1x12 lumber that are 12 3/4 inches. And then one piece here that is 1x12. So we have 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. So it's a perfect square essentially. All right, super easy. Now just go ahead and put everything together. So you can start with these pink components. So you can use glue and the nail gun and then just secure those at the top there. Next, what you can do is you can secure the green piece to these yellow pieces, and then also integrate the purple piece and then everything together. So now what you can do is if you did want to stain or paint these, you can feel free to do so. And that's it. You're done. Super easy. For those of you who are ready to build these crates, I do have a DIY plan PDF that's going to be linked below. It goes into lumber optimization. That way you can get the best yield for the amount of lumber you have. Also the tools list, materials list, the cut list, and lumber shopping list. And of course, the step-by-step instructions. I do appreciate everyone who supports Good DIY Plans. You guys have an awesome day. If this video was valuable to you, check out the next project on the screen.